Hello everyone, this is Tech20 coming at you with another video. In today's video we're going to go ahead and show you how to hide and unhide sheets. So as you can see here, I have a sheet that has a drop down menu, but I need to add axle grease because I totally forgot to put that on there as part of the selection. So you have transmission oil, motor oil, etc, etc. So what we're going to go ahead and do is, first and foremost, I'm going to go ahead and hide the sheet, and as we scroll down here to the bottom of the page, you will notice that we're not seeing any other sheets, but this does reference a different sheet. As you can see in the data validation, it's about to pop up right there. There you go, and you see list and then product. So it's actually referencing something, but it's not there. So what you're going to do is come to the bottom of your sheet here, right click, and select Unhide. Once you select that, it'll give you a list of sheets that are hidden, and go ahead and select from that list. And there you have it. You can now edit this list. As you can see, it's set to products. If you need to learn how to do drop downs, I do have another video which I'll link at the end of this one. And then you can go ahead and edit that, rehide it by just right clicking again down here and then hide. And then that makes it go away and you're back to your original spreadsheet. If you found this content helpful, please do leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.